hablando de mí. Joda que se joda, que se joda, ey, ey. Joda que se joda, que se joda. Hoy me levanté contento y me levanté feliz, aunque dicen por ahí que están hablando de mí. Joda que se joda, que se joda, ey, ey. Joda que se joda, que se joda, ey. Hoy ando en galata, ey.
Too hot. It's too hot for this. So what's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be doing another STI vlog in this hot weather. I am right now at Shell pumping some gas. Looks like it stopped at 47.93. There we go, 48. Not bad. So the plan for today is to wash this bad boy because she's filthy and I'm sweating. I wish I was in the pool or the beach, but she's dirty as hell. And hopefully I can make some videos on my exhaust. That's gonna be the plan for today, right? But as for right now, I'm gonna go to the car wash and I'm gonna meet up with my boy at 370. He says he's gonna come through, and then after that, he told me of a spot, because you know I'm not trying to get pulled over or none of that stuff. So he told me of a sweet spot that I could go to and make some revs and some flybys, and hopefully you guys can hear it nice, because I mean this is just a GoPro. I don't really have like a good setup for I don't have a good mic, but I mean it should come out good. Right now I'm gonna start driving over there to the car wash this bad boy real quick, and then head over there and make a couple clips of the exhaust. So I'll see you over there then.
Me la clavé, fuck hueputa. Yo te boté, y desde que te di esa bota la cara son de 3 en 3. Si tú quieres preguntar si no me crees, que ya no tengo estrés.
I just seen a nice ass Corvette, but he just took the freaking highway. Damn. Guys, change of plans. So I'm gonna do the video right now, the exhaust clips. So things to keep in mind: I have full bolt-ons. So I got cap intake, cap downpipe, SPT exhaust. This is not bad right here, I believe. So I'm gonna set the GoPro outside. Afe equal length headers, and what else? And I have a Protune. Yeah, that's about it, I believe. If I forgot something, I'll just put it down below. So I tried, but it didn't work because I didn't record it. I made all this noise and I'm freaking doing all this stuff, and mind you, I had the AC off. I don't know why. I just have it off. I come outside, I shut off the camera, and then it turns on. And I'm like, yo, I thought it was recording this whole entire time. So yo, I'm just gonna do it again. But like I said, I was supposed to go to the car wash, but my boy said he's gonna meet me up right here. So I'm gonna wait for him. He said he's gonna, you know, help me out a little bit. And you know, I found some shades, but I mean it's still hot and sunny. So I'm waiting for this dude to come over here, give me a hand real quick. Yo, I'm so upset because I got some nice pops. Oh yeah. So after I do all those reps, and I'm gonna do 2 different launch control sounds. The last part, I'm just gonna rev it, and since I had the verbal tune, right? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the same technique as if I was driving. So all I have to do is rev it, and then when I let go of the gas, just gently tap the gas, just press it, maybe like just a little bit, like you're gonna hear the pops. So yeah, stay tuned. Show off! So we got my boy over here right now on the 370. That's Genuel.
What's up, y'all?
Check his channel. What's your channel?
Genuel's channel.
Genuel's channel. Alright, you heard it already. So
Put it on the link.
yeah, it's gonna be down there. So this is his 370.
Some bags.
I'm gonna do some shoes after, but these are some Rohanas. They're what size?
20 by 10 and 20 by 11 on the back. It's on airlift. That's pretty much it. Simple.
Is that your dream car?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, boy. Let's get it.
Let's be honest. I think you need some practice, bro.
Yeah, I think I do. Stop playing, stop playing.
Gonna do another one? All right.
That was a 3,000 RPM launch control.
3,000?
Yeah, it came out kind of gay because I suck at it. I don't raise. You know what I'm saying? I might put it to 42.
All right. I hope this one come out better. Yeah, I'm ready.
Woo. Ready?
Yeah.
finish the video with my boy. I'm gonna put his YouTube channel down below so you guys can check him out. He got a lot of videos of his 370. Nice build. So yeah, any questions that you guys have, any concerns, just comment down below. Ask me. Feel free to ask me any question. I will try to do my best to put everything I can on down below. If you like my video, like my video. If you want more content, subscribe. I will be uploading more videos. And that's it for tonight. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.